This printer cuts stickers by itself? Meet PixCut S1. Your DIY sidekick just got smart. Ever been neck deep in a DIY project only to be sabotaged by clunky tools that make creativity feel like a chore? You sit down, ready to turn your idea into a killer sticker or label, and boom, printer jams, scissors slip, nothing aligns, and you're rage googling how to cut a circle without crying. We've all been there. And let's be real, traditional sticker making setups feel like a punishment. It's a mess of mismatched gadgets, wasted materials, and a lost afternoon you'll never get back. You didn't sign up for chaos, you wanted fun, flow, and finished products that don't look like your cat helped. Now imagine that stress multiplied by a tight deadline, a gift you forgot to personalize, or an Etsy order breathing down your neck. That's not just frustrating, it's creativity suffocated. Missed opportunities stack up like the sticker scraps you'll never use. You're stuck in meh mode when you should be in creative beast mode. And don't even talk about burnout. Fiddling with misaligned cuts and 17-step printing processes is the fastest route to giving up. You need a tool that works with you, not against you. Something slick, smart, and actually enjoyable? Say hello to the lean PixCut S1, your new creative co-pilot. This all-in-one color sticker printer and precision cutter is the upgrade your artsy side's been begging for. Print and cut in one go, no more playing hot potato with multiple machines. With 300 dpi thermal dye sublimation printing, Bluetooth control, and AI-powered auto-cutting, PixCut S1 turns your wildest designs into pro-level stickers in 2 minutes flat. Pet pick? Insta memory? Spontaneous label idea at 3 a.m.? Done. You don't even need design skills, just the idea and the app. It's that simple, and yeah, kinda magical. With vivid colors, durable waterproof prints, and laser-precise kiss cuts, the PixCut S1 makes everything feel premium, even if you're just slapping a "Don't touch my Tupperware" sticker on your lunchbox. You'll love the fast, frustration-free workflow. Whether you're running a side hustle or just want to flex your DIY muscle, this is your moment. Hook it up via Bluetooth, drag your photo in, let the AI extract it, and boom, sticker magic. Wanna see it in action? Hit that play button and prepare for some serious "why didn't I have this sooner" vibes. So here's the deal. Don't wait. This machine is blowing up with crafters, creators, and small biz bosses who are done wasting time. Inventory's moving fast, and trust us, you'll kick yourself if you miss it. Thousands have already joined the PixCut party, turning boring tools into history and unleashing sticker domination. Still unsure? Lean's got a solid rep, rave reviews, and a no-fuss experience even your grandma can handle. So go on, click the link, grab yours, and turn your creativity on. Your ideas deserve more than scissors and hope. Let PixCut S1 do the heavy lifting.